Good morning to the 1st of April 2014 market review. As you can see here currently, the Dow Jones is 134 points positive on Monday evening's close. The Nasdaq closed 43 points positive and the S&P 500 14 points positive. These are all American market indexes. The Dow is sitting currently at 16,457 points. Let's go and look at this chart closely. Do you see this green line? That's support. The red line is resistance. It's currently just above this level, testing this high on the red line. As you can see, the green line and the red line is getting closer and smaller. That indicates of uncertainty in better direction in the market in the short term. If you want to see better direction, a breakup needs to happen from the red line or a breakdown from the green line. That will give our markets better direction as well. The American market future is currently about 8 points positive. It's quite low, and our current markets, the top 40 futures, are also a bit negative, with about 40 points, 38 points negative at the short-term time. Expectation is high uncertainty opening for this morning, and that uncertainty is caused by any information to the markets at this time. Shares to look at is Vuvanani, or VUN. This is a weekly graph. As you can see, the share is going, the blue line, it's going totally sideways. Line A will be a 2 rand line. There's the expectation in regards to the newsletter that this share can actually go more positive in the short term to almost the level of 2 rand 60, and it's currently trading at 2 rand. If it breaks line A, next high is 207, 209, 211 to about 250, 260 in the short term. If the share doesn't want to go further up than line A, and you want to enter into the share in a long position or buying position, please use the stop loss level of 185 on this specific share. Next share is Aveng. Now Aveng did come down. It lose a lot of value from December, January, February, currently starting to pick up in March. Look at line A here. Now line A is on a price of 22 rand 80. That high there is 22 rand 80. The expectation is that this share can go higher from 22.94, 23.14, 24 rand 8 to almost about 25 rand. Please use a stop loss level of 21 rand 40 if the share do want to come physically further down from this current levels. Let's go and look at the J200 or the ALSI 40 index. That's the top 40 shares from the JSE. I'm going to zoom in. It's still trading between these two green lines in a positive channel going upwards, testing the current highs at this time. As you can see, we're expecting a bit of a negative small opening, but a bit positive as well. So direction is going to be uncertain for early trade as it trades in this morning due to these high levels on the technical side. Let's go to some shares quickly. ShopRite did very well, testing the 160 levels. Next high about 164, 165, testing this purple line, and that's the 200-day moving average. But there's still, the share is very positive at this time. Woolies also went up higher in the positive channel going upwards. Next high about 75 rand. Please take note of this share, quite toppish at this moment as well, and you can get that confirmation by looking at your indicators. Indicators is also showing a high level. Mr. Price did go up, come a bit down, testing this support levels here, and it jumped further upwards. Currently trading at 157.41. Current high is about 160, 162 at the short term time. Looking at your indicators, shares also quite toppish at this moment. Truworths did a nice recovery at this stage. Down from November, December, February, January, started to pick up here again. Trading at 77.25. Did do a nice breakup. I'm going to draw a quick line here in a green channel just to show you what kind of indication there is. And as you can see, just by looking at the channels, you could go back to this 80 to 81 rand level. 75 rand will be a very, very important level to track in the short term if you're in this trade. Would it bounce through this green line downwards or the 89-day moving average downwards on a 75 rand level, share could go and bounce back to the low levels again. Discovery did break the sideways channel, went up, currently testing this highs here of 85. Take note, looking at your indicators, share seems to be very high, and we could most probably expect a bit of a downward channel on the technical side very soon. Banks, BGA, Barclays Bank, trading at 149, struggling to break this 150 levels on the average. If you go and put this on a weekly chart, you will see it's struggling to break this highs here of 150, 152 at this moment. Take note, the share is still in a positive channel going upwards. If you're going to draw this line further up, I'm just going to extend it. You will actually see the following. Would the share come down, break to 140, that's on the 200-day moving average. If it breaks it down, the share could turn downwards, but still in a positive channel going upwards. Capitec. Capitec is currently struggling to break this 195 level. It's currently trading at 194.50. Now look at this. If it's trading currently between the red and the purple. The red is 89 and the purple is 200. Would it break any of these levels? You could go higher levels, or you could get lower levels coming back to the 185 in the short term. MTN. MTN made a new high on Friday, currently coming a bit down. Still in the positive channel. I'm going to extend this channel quickly here for you. With this, look at that channel. Still trading. If it breaks one of these channels here at about 212, it's currently trading at 250.55. It could come back to the 210 levels and most probably track it for the short term. It can do something similar like this movement that it did previously at this current time. Yeah, Vodacom. Vodacom also toppers tested previous highs. Looking at your indicators here, shares seem to come a bit down. So technically, most of the shares that we're discussing here seems to be on a high channel on indicators, and the technical indicator shows a bit of toppishness. If this share can break 129.44, next low could be 126.65. If it breaks this green line or the support line that I'm going to draw up here, that will be your current support level. If it breaks any of these levels here, there could be downward side in the short term. IPL did excellent as we call this upwards. As you can see, it broke the green, broke the red line. That's the 89 days. Testing this 190 as expected. Now we need to see, can it go higher to 200 or starting to get a bit of momentum downwards on profit taking in the short term. Steinhoff. Look at Steinhoff here. Just want to show you, share went up in a positive channel, the blue line. Share is currently in a downward channel. Do you see this purple line here? That is the current support levels. Huge support levels. At any time, if it breaks this 50 rand 76, it could go down, and it could go most probably go down to a level of 48.51. If it breaks that, back to the 46.47 rand level. So it's still positive. Keep a close eye on this 50 rand 50 for more downward sides to happen. Traders, enjoy the day on April Fool's Day.